How to add bank account to Apple Pay Cash. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add your bank account to Apple Pay Cash step by step, so let's go. First, open your wallet app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple Cash card if you can find it. If not, simply tap on the plus icon. Now here you can find various accounts. If you already had your details of your cards, you can see on previous cards. But if you don't have it, what you need to do is simply apply for Apple Card and tap on continue. Click on next. All you need to do is simply enter your address. After you've done that, you'll be able to confirm the card. Once you've done that, all you need to do is add or simply tap on bank account, and under that you need to enter your routing number and account number, then hit next to confirm. If you don't see the option, make sure your device is updated and you have Apple Cash set up correctly and you're using a supported US bank. And that's it, your bank account is now linked to Apple Pay Cash.